a Sunday to ride out to Milford Sound and to meet up with our mate Len, who was riding down to do the West Coast trip with us, and the roads and scenery did not disappoint. I know I haven't put out a video in a few weeks, but my laptop crashed and was in the shop getting fixed, and Owen and I have been on the road again doing a 9-day trip in Australia. And here's a big shout out to the staff at George's Seafood in Rosebud that support this channel. Don't forget to help us out by subscribing, liking, and watching the videos. Help my small channel grow enough to stop YouTube ripping me off. Help me get some of the money they are making by putting paid advertising on my content. The scenery was straight out of Lord of the Rings. We almost expected to see hordes of orc running across the river. The only way in and out of Milford Sound is through the Homer Tunnel. It's 1,250 meters long, very dark, and very slippery going down. The Homer Tunnel is only one lane, so you can expect a 5 to 10 minute delay at each end. It took 18 years to build from 1935 to 1953. It was originally started by just 4 men using shovels and wheelbarrows. The tunnel crew lived on site in tents in the freezing cold and worked by hand. After arriving and checking out some of the incredible sights, we had lunch at the information center and gassed up at the only service station there. We headed back inland to Mossburn for the night and to meet Len. The contrasting scenery was beautiful, from rugged snow-capped mountains to forests and open plains, and all while winding along the Oreti River.